Hey friends, it's Officer Dave and Firefighter Sandy here today. We're going to talk about 911. It's a really important number to talk about. Parents, talk to your kids about emergencies. Do they know what emergencies are? And something that's really important, parents, we know what this is. We know it's a phone. But this is a dinosaur compared to what we have at home today. I guarantee some of your kids have no idea how to use this.
So 911, what an important number. If you have an emergency and you need help, 911 will get you police, fire, or EMS. So when do we call? Well, for a fire, if you see a house fire or if you see lots of smoke in the area, that would be a good reason. For police, maybe there's a stranger trying to get into your house, or you hear lots of arguing or shouting, or you see someone with a gun, that would be a reason to call 911. For an EMS or an ambulance call, if you see a bad car accident, or you can't wake somebody up, like a parent, or somebody took a bad fall, just make sure you never play around with 911. It's not a number to play around with. It's for emergencies only. So if you're going to practice on a real phone, always make sure an adult is there with you.
Parents, like we said, practice with them. Some things to keep in mind, kids. Cell phones don't necessarily give you an address when you call 911. When you call dispatch, they're going to ask you where you're at. I challenge each of you to know what is your home address, because that's probably where you're going to be calling from. Parents, give your kids scenarios. Play games with them on, is this an emergency to call 911 or is it not? Just like we tell my kids at home when it's okay to come and tattle on each other and when it's not, work on that with your kids. Is this an emergency? You spilled milk. Do you call 911 for that or not? Mom falls and knocks herself out. Do you call 911 or not? Stuff like that. Play games with it. Make it fun for them so they understand it's okay to call 911 when it's an emergency. And then make sure they know the proper information to give dispatch when they call as well. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.